The first thing that we need is khaskhas or posto around 3 tablespoons, and for 3 tablespoons we need 6 tablespoons of water along with few green chilies and a bit of salt. Note that water should not be boiling hot but lukewarm water, and we soak it for 20 minutes and then we blend it to a fine paste. Other ingredients that we need are onions, 4 to 5 big onions. Cut the onion into 4 quarters and remove the florets. Green chilies 4 to 5 slit ones, and kalo jeera or nigella seeds half teaspoon, and the khaskhas or posto paste. First, we take 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai or wok and then let it get heated up. As the oil gets hot, we will add 1 dry red chili in it, followed by half teaspoon of kalo jeera or kalunji or nigella seed. Then we will add the sliced onions and we'll mix it up thoroughly. After that, we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This will really help to caramelize the whole gravy and it will give a nice red color. Now we'll add half teaspoon of salt in it so that the onions get tender, and we'll mix all this very well and let it fry for 2 minutes in medium heat. After 2 minutes of frying, we'll add the slit green chilies and we'll mix it and we'll fry them for 1 minute again. I have fried the onions for a total of 3.5 minutes, and now it's time to add water. The level of water should be such that the onions don't get submerged, they just need to float in it. And now we will add half teaspoon of salt in it and we will mix it well. Keep the heat to medium so that the water doesn't get dried up easily, and we will let it come to a boil. After boiling the onions in medium heat for 5 minutes, we will uncover the lid and we will check if the onions are getting tender. Here these onions need, I guess, 1 more minute, and after that we will come back to process the gravy. Now I am covering the lid again and wait for another boil. After 1 minute we will uncover the lid and we will mix the gravy thoroughly. Now it's time to add the posto or khaskhas paste. Here I have added 4 to 5 tablespoons of this paste. Mix this paste with the gravy well and add half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of water so that the gravy doesn't dry out completely. And we will cover the lid and we will let it cook for another 1 minute. Getting cooked for 1 minute in medium heat. Now I am uncovering the lid and I did a salt check. The salt is okay. If you need, then you can add salt as per your taste. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 slit green chilies and mixing it well with the gravy. Our piyaj posto is almost done and just one step more is needed. Cook the gravy for half minute. Mixing it well. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and we will mix with the gravy very well, and we will cover the lid and we will switch off the gas. Our piyaj posto is done. After 2 minutes we will open the lid and our dish is ready to be served. This piyaj posto is ready for serving. It can be served with rice or roti. In these days of quarantine, where ingredients are not available at large, you can make this piyaj posto and serve it. It requires minimum ingredients and it tastes yum. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Like this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay indoors.